How to use the workbook. Here you have pages with multiple center points already prepared for you. Remember to always start from the center. Setting up your compass. Ensure the two tips are aligned and touching when closed. This guarantees precision. Open the compass carefully and adjust the radius to match the size of your printer guides. Align the point with the center mark and make sure the pencil or lead tip matches the required distance. Once your compass is set, start by drawing the first circle from the center point. After completing this, draw the next circle from any of the points sitting on the edge of the first circle. Place the compass point precisely on one of these intersection points and repeat the process to create the next circle. Maintain the same radius throughout the entire exercise. Keeping the compass at a consistent opening ensures accuracy and correct alignment as you build the pattern. If you'd like, you can follow along with the YouTube video for additional guidance. You can print the page to fit your needs. If necessary, you can extend it slightly depending on the size of the paper you're using. Make sure to maintain the original proportions. Use 100 scale, actual size, or fit to page. This workbook includes 5 pages with pre-marked centers for each exercise covered in the lesson. Open the compass carefully and adjust the radius to match the size of your printed guides. Once your compass is set, start by drawing the first circle from the center point. Place the compass point precisely on one of these intersection points and repeat the process to create the next circle. Additional pages with nearly completed results that you can trace and practice on are also included. Remember, always start with the center. If something appears slightly misaligned, don't worry. Adjust as needed and continue the process smoothly. You can also use these pages to transfer points onto another page. If you already have a layout in mind, take a blank page, align it with this one, and transfer the points accordingly. Start the same way as before. Begin from the center and use the reference points to guide you. You can also use a pointed tool to mark the centers more precisely. These guides are designed to help you to see results faster. With these tools and techniques, you are ready to dive in and start practicing. Take your time, follow the steps, and enjoy the process of mastering these exercises. Keep going, and soon you'll see how powerful and rewarding this practice can be. Happy drawing!